Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart. First click here and then go to this one with services, and then scroll down until you find VGC, and here it is. Now just double click on it, and then once you're here you will find it maybe like that. Stop it. All you have to do, just click start and wait a few seconds, and then startup type, make it automatic, and then click apply. Okay, and go back, and now go ahead and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, restart your computer and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it, then go to apps and features and here type Vanguard, and then write Vanguard, click on it and uninstall it. After that, just go to Riot Games and it will ask you to install Vanguard again, and then just install it and try again, and your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.